I'm gonna be reviewing and trying on these new lashes by Ardell. So excited, you know I love to review falsies. So this is the Ardell Remy lashes in the number 781. It also says is keratin infused tapered tips. Like what? Really? That's kind of cool. So these are 100% premium Remy hair with Invisiband. I feel like the Invisiband's a little bit more comfortable. This retails for $7.99 depending where you get it, I guess. I got mine at Walgreens. Keratin infused to hold the curl and create a softer fiber. Gorgeous strip lash styles inspired by prestige and boutique styles in medium to full volume. I'm all about volume, all about curls, so hopefully these are nice and curled. And also, if you're curious to know, they do not come with glue, so I'm also going to be reviewing this new glue from Ardell Dual Lash, a 2-in-1. I did review one from Kiss Lashes as well, new lashes and new glue, which I'm obsessed. Definitely check that out. 2-in-1 brush on strip lash adhesive. Let's take a look to see. I'll put the price of this one right here. I did buy two different ones, but I'm not going to use two different lash glues in this video. I'll do another reviewing the other lash glue. This is what it looks like. It's dual white clear, and this one is a dark tone. I personally love dark tones. That's why definitely check out the one from Kiss. I love that glue. Oh my god, and it holds so well. Let's just take a look to see how this looks. So this is the clear, the white. I definitely prefer the brush than the regular dual lash glues, though now that I've tried so many, the dual lash glues have not been my favorite. But we'll see. This is brand new. I've never tried a dual lash glue, you know, with a brush applicator. So we will try both. I will try both sides for this video. This is like huge. I mean huge, like wide. Oh my god, but they feel so good, super lightweight. Like definitely if you're a beginner, try Invisiband. It's already looking like it's gonna be gorgeous. I hope it is. If it is too big, we'll definitely have to cut. Always from the corner, never from the inner. You'll mess up the shape of the lash. I'm gonna apply that, and I like to apply a little bit extra on the ends. Do you like the white and clear glue, or do you prefer the dark tone? Just gonna let this dry, and then we'll do the other lash with the dark. Alright, so let's apply this. Wow, is that gorgeous or what? That is so pretty. I struggle so much applying lashes, is not even funny, especially with these nails. And then I try like putting it with the applicator, and the applicator like gets stuck with the lash and it pulls it off. Let's close our eyes. Okay, can't really see a lot of the glue, which is good. That's why I personally do not like the white or clear, whatever they want to call it, because sometimes I'm doing videos and you could definitely see my glue and it's so annoying. I am just gonna go over and like fix the liner a little. This is actually a pretty good idea that they made one like this, that it's the clear and the dark tone, because if you're that kind of person that sometimes does eyeliner, you would like to use the dark. If maybe you don't use eyeliner all the time, you would like to use the white and clear. Just look how pretty it is. You get a really nice curl to the lash. I'm trying to show you like in different angles, but it's really nice. Definitely get a lot of volume. Just gonna cut a little tiny bit here on the end. Again, I like to put a little extra at the ends. Something else you should know about the glue is that this is formaldehyde-free, latex-free, and hypoallergenic. So good to know. Let's apply this one. I literally could say that I do not even feel them on my eyes. I could have even cut them more, have a good curl, a good length. Wow, I wouldn't say this is like an everyday lash because they're more like on the dramatic side, but they feel so comfortable. That's like so important because I'm I only like usually wear lashes when I'm doing videos, but like to go out, I just don't feel too comfortable. So, but when they're like this that I could barely feel them, it's easier for me. So